China's armaments industry and military are often secretive. China's weapons and other military equipment reach West and other countries with the help of some leaked images or information through China's major military parades. But these parades are few in decades. But recently, China conducted the 13th China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition in Zhuhai, known as Air Show, showcasing new drones and jets. This air show has become a major source of information about China's weapons. In this video, you will get information about some of the special equipment and aircraft that were displayed at the air show. J-16D. China showed its J-16D in the exhibition. J-16D is China's domestically developed electronic warfare aircraft based on the J-16 fighter jet. It can accompany other warplanes and provide them with electronic warfare support, for example, conducting electronic jamming or deception. China's J-16 electronic warfare aircraft revealed its jamming pods and missiles in its first public appearance at the air show in Zhuhai. This jet is equipped with 4 jamming pods under its wings and air inlets, in addition to the 2 electronic warfare pods on the wingtips, as well as 2 missiles under its belly. The J-16D is capable of efficiently countering hostile advanced air defense systems of early warning, command and communications, as well as interception and strike. J-20. China has showed off its most advanced fighter jet aircraft J-20 with domestic-made engines. It is a single-seat, twin-jet, all-weather stealth 5th-generation fighter aircraft developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. This twin-engine jet is equipped with WS-10 engine. An early version of J-20 Russian-made engine was used, which is now replaced by Chinese WS-10 engine. WS-10 engine is manufactured by People's Liberation Army Air Force. This aircraft is considered as a competitor of US's F-22. PL-15 missile. China has exhibited export variant of its PL-15 missile. It is an active radar-guided, long-range air-to-air missile. PL-15 has an ability to attack unmanned aircraft, manned aircraft, cruise missiles, and other targets located more than 145 kilometers away. The medium to long-range missile has capability to travel at 4 times the speed of sound and is powered by a dual-thrust solid fuel motor. The attacking range of this missile makes it comparable to the Russian R-37 missile. HQ-9B. The most important of the long-range missiles in the exhibition was HQ-9. It is a long-range ground-to-air active radar homing missile. This new version has range of about 300 kilometers. The information is also revealed that radar is capable of guiding 16 missiles to 8 different targets at once. It has similar capabilities as of Russian S-300 and American Patriot systems. Like the Russian S-300V, the HQ-9B is a 2-stage missile. Its total mass is about 2 tons and has a length of 6.8 meters. The missile is armed with a 180 kilograms warhead. It has a maximum speed of Mach 4.2. Medium and short-range missiles were also displayed in the exhibition. Some of the important ones are Skydragon 30. Radar-guided variant of Skydragon 30 was also exhibited. Previously, this missile system was operated using imaging infrared guidance. It was designed to be a competitor to the HQ-16, but has not been used by the People's Liberation Army for service. Instead, the missile system has been exported to foreign countries. LY-70. It's a medium-range missile only for export. This system is not yet used by Chinese military. Vertical launch system. China revealed its first type of made-for-export shipborne vertical launch system, suitable for all types of seagoing vessels. The HT-1E Universal Vertical Launch System is the first of its kind cleared for export in China. The VLS quad-pack launch cells can load up to 4 missiles instead of just 1, which is one of its most important features. Its features make the system capable of ship defense. HD-1. It is a supersonic land attack and anti-ship missile. Its layout similar to YJ-12. Its weight is about 1,200 kilograms and range about 300 kilometers. The air-launched version is small enough to be carried by light fighter jets such as the JF-17 export fighter. YJ-83. The YJ-83 is a Chinese subsonic anti-ship cruise missile. The new export variant of this missile was also shown off in the air show with a notch on its nose. WS-35. WS-35 155mm guided artillery round was also shown in the exhibition. The WS-35 is a precision-guided, long-range 155mm rocket-assisted projectile. The maximum range of this artillery shell is roughly 100 kilometers. Various loitering munition were also shown. They were of two forms, small form ones to be launched from a mortar, and larger ones launched from multiple rocket launcher vehicles. CH-817 mini drones were also shown. They are like flying in hand grenades, which are capable to be used against suicide attacks and recon. Infantry fighting vehicles. Various infantry fighting vehicles were also shown in the exhibition. There were two different unmanned turrets. The larger turret sporting a lot of optical sensors, larger gun-integrated anti-tank missiles. Unmanned infantry vehicle VN-22 made its debut at the show in Zhuhai. It is a new generation 6x6 wheeled armored vehicle with world-class combat capabilities. This vehicle can defend and survive an explosion of 10 kilograms of trinitrotoluene. Its all wheels can make pivot, and this makes it extremely maneuverable. Tiny trucks, which are used for carrying different kinds of stuff, and a large unmanned combat vehicle weighing about 11 tons were also shown in the exhibition. Anti-aircraft guns. Various anti-aircraft guns were also shown in the exhibition. Some of the displayed guns are 11-barrel ground-based 30mm air defense system. 11-barrel version of ground-based 30mm air defense system were also shown in the air show. It will be used for defenses of important bases against air munitions. 76mm gun. A big 76mm gun was also shown in the exhibition, which is also capable of being used for air defense. Drones. WZ-7 and WZ-8. The Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force for the first time displayed the WZ-7 high-altitude reconnaissance drone at the air show. The WZ-7 will be used in missions that require extended endurance like border reconnaissance and maritime patrol. WZ-8 drone was first time shown in 2019 air show, and it can provide more reliable reconnaissance data than satellites. CH-6 drone. China unveiled its new CH-6 unmanned aerial vehicle system at air show. It is a high-altitude, long-endurance drone that can fly for around 20 hours and reach top speeds of 700 kilometers an hour. The new drone system is also capable of anti-submarine missions, maritime patrols, and close-range air support. The CH-6 can be launched and operated by individual soldiers or from other larger CH drone systems. GJ-11 Stealth Armed Reconnaissance Drone. Mock-up of GJ-11 Stealth Armed Reconnaissance Drone was showed off for the first time in the exhibition. This drone is capable of carrying a large amount of precision weapons. The aircraft uses a flying wing design with high stealth capability and has high subsonic cruise efficiency. Despite a small body, it has a long range. This channel is about the contribution of China to science and technology and its role to become global technological power. Interesting facts such as economics, trades, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, space, culture, maglev trains, speeding bullet trains, and all new inventions introduced by China will be discussed on this channel. The comparison of technologies and relationship of China with other world nations will be made on this channel. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like from the above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.